Okay, welcome everybody and welcome to this new video. Okay, right back in this new video, I'm actually not gonna post the kind of electronic stuff which you can think of that I usually post today, but today I'm just posting and telling you guys on how to have a perfect way of like improving your channel analytics. And I'm the Successful Electronics and I've not really get monetized in YouTube. I'm having 34 subscribers right now and I have up to 1,426,000 views total of my videos, and you could think that this guy is not yet got monetized on YouTube, and what the hell will you even advise people which have not also get monetized on YouTube? Well, let us feel some kind of happy to just help people to improve their channel analytics. And if I haven't already, or if I have not get monetized and you're saying why am I posting the improvement of your YouTube channel, I just did it to help others. Okay, now the most important factor like increasing your YouTube subscribers and also increasing your YouTube short views and also your total views of your channel. Okay, I did this and well, that's what gave me some kind of subscribers, a little bit subscribers, and I knew that I'm gonna get more subscribers continuously, and also more views and more short views, and totally every month views. Yeah, I was having 824 subscribers earlier, but as I did this thing I'm going to tell you right now in this video, my subscribers increased. Sorry, I was having 826 26 total of views in all my videos. As I did this, I'm going to tell you today I have up to 1,426 views, and which is so proud of me. And I was having about 24 subscribers, but as I did this aspect, I have up to 34 subscribers to my channel. I'm so happy about it. Okay, now I would like to share you to the end of this video. Please, if you want to have more knowledge and more insight in improving your YouTube channel, please stick around to the end of this video, and I'm happily going to enjoy sharing the video with you. And okay, first off, I'm the Successful Electronics People's Electronics Tutorials. If you want to know more about electronics and how they function, how they work, some kind of Arduino programming, Arduino projects, I'm kind of working with Arduino, you can visit my other videos which I post earlier, and you may have insight. I'm very very educated mind in electronics. Okay, now let's go. The first thing of improving your channel, when I say you want to improve your channel, is in your YouTube channel you still have amount of high subscribers which you intently watch your videos in your videos. Yeah, high. Okay, now if you want to really increase your viewers which watches your shot, you gotta post more shots. I was like, oh my gosh, I was having so low subscribers, and when the hell will I get more subscribers so that I can have more views and more watch time to get monetized on YouTube? And I just had the video watching about this channel. He posts more about improving your channel, and I watched this video and I have a lot of insights in how you can improve your channel. And I hope so if you try this, you will instantly have a lot of views and more subscribers than me. Cause now I'm having some kind of improve of 12 plus subscribers and more viewers on my channel, also probably more some kind of more watch time on my video. Now when you post shorts, you increase the rate of audience to your channel. You know that shorts comes along suggested videos in your YouTube homepage, and you can just search at the short videos are the videos which viewers mostly really like to watch and have and get excited. Yeah, because they appear like suggested videos in their shorts, and most people when they get in contact with your videos or your short which you post, people have interest in your short and they will likely go to your channel and go to subscribe to your channel and also be one of your partner of your audience in your YouTube channel. Now that's the first point. Now posting normal videos like 10 minutes long videos, 16 minutes long videos, 6 minutes, 5 minutes long videos are pretty much hard for me to get more views than posting shorts. You know that when you post your videos, they show the videos to people who subscribe to your channel, and also they spread it to suggested videos and also other people to have in contact with your video. But you felt that when posting videos have lesser views than when I'm posting shorts. I created a channel to do this test. I created a new channel which I haven't posted any video to just have this check. This is the channel I used to check it. I don't mind you checking it because it's trash. I just posted I just created a channel to just do the test, and you can go check my shorts now which I used in doing the test. I just created a channel new, and I said let me just try if I really get more subscribers and some kind of more views on my channel. And when I did that, I was having up to 46 views on my channel in that immediate time. I was very happy, and I just like create a new channel analytics and a new channel on YouTube, and I just posted the first shot on that channel, and I was having 46 viewers without having any subscribers. Is that not incredible? That is incredible. And that's also I tried my electronic channel at the Successful Electronics. If you haven't subscribed, please do to subscribe to their channel, and I've been touched by electronic tutorials. Now let's go to business. Okay, now I use the test in my electronic channel. I then carry some kind of my YouTube videos which I've been posting about 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 16 minutes or 6 minutes, and like change it in the short. When you click the video, you look at the down right there, you see some kind of remix. When you click the remix, they'll actually remix into short. Then when you increase remix into short, it's actually going to give you the particular place and tell you where you want to make as a short movie. And when I just did that to 2 to 3 videos, I was probably having a lot of views in my short. And I posted it the first day and left it to the next day, and I was very happy that I was having up to 126 views on that channel. I was so happy about that. And then the other videos, I was having up to 205 views. Oh my god, which I haven't even had in my normal video in just a day, and I was having that. I was so happy. And also I have more views in my other shorts, which I was having about 88 views and 64 views. I was really happy about that, and I really think that that would be a really important fact to you to take. And I also like you to try that at home and improve your channel analytics. Thank you very much for watching. I'm a Successful Electronics, and if you haven't subscribed, please do to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace out.